As we embark on this journey from Stanton Street to New Kingston, Jamaica, let's not just see it as a simple commute, but as an invitation to delve into the authentic soul of this vibrant island nation. Today, we're not just driving from one point to another. We're embracing the heartbeat of Jamaica, feeling the pulse of its streets, and immersing ourselves in its rich culture and history. From the moment we pull out onto Stanton Street, surrounded by the hustle and bustle of daily life, to the anticipation of what awaits us in the cosmopolitan hub of New Kingston, every twist and turn of the road holds the promise of discovery. So, let's slow down, soak in the sights and sounds, and truly experience the essence of Jamaica as we journey together. While navigating through the streets, let's keep our senses attuned to the rhythm of the island, allowing it to guide us on a meaningful exploration of this beautiful land. This isn't just a drive, it's an opportunity to connect with the real life of Jamaica in all its colorful glory. So join me and let's make every moment count as we traverse the road to New Kingston.
Let me buy a drink. Me ask her where she from, say she come from Brink. Tell her say you wanna what the road boy think. Oh, yeah, learn and this never, yeah. Let me buy a drink. Me ask her where she from, say she come from Brink. Tell her say you wanna what the road boy think. Oh, yeah, learn never be a link. Say me never seen a girl like you.
So don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system that we wise up until we standing strong again. Don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system and we wise up until we're standing strong again. Don't stop. So don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system that we wise up until we standing strong again. Don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system and we wise up until we're standing strong again. stop.